coverage you can count on begins as an Augusta construction worker who recently lost his leg in an accident is talking about what happened that day. Hannah Latier shares his story.
Watching him laugh with friends and family, you wouldn't know that 22-year-old Bradley Santiago just went through a traumatic, life-altering experience.
All I could think of was my wife, my family, my mom, and I thought I was dead.
Bradley was working in the Deer Hollow subdivision in Grovetown last Wednesday when his right leg got trapped in a cement machine.
It was me and one of my co-workers on top. We were both cleaning it. He took a break, I kept cleaning it, and I just felt the vibration of the machine coming on. I tried to jump off. My left leg made it out, and my right leg just sunk in.
Emergency physicians had to amputate his leg to free him. He was airlifted to Wellstar MCG Health. He had his 4th surgery Tuesday and hopes to only have one more so he can start to recover. Workers' compensation is involved with the case, but the family has set up a GoFundMe to help cover some of the expenses.
The main things that are concerning us is we are remodeling our bathroom to make sure it's accessible for him. And then we're actually talking about getting him a service dog.
Wednesday was his first day in a wheelchair. He's in great spirits and is mainly concerned about his family.
He's changed my entire mindset, even of the person that I thought he was. He's so much stronger than I even knew.
I'm just ready to face and overcome this era of my life and make everybody in my family happy and make myself happy while I'm at it. I'm running a 6K marathon when I get my prosthetic leg.
In Augusta, Hannah Latier, WJBF News Channel 6.
Oh, good for him. So glad he's doing well. We have a link to that GoFundMe. Just go to our website, WJBF.com.